with Inside Natural Bodybuilding. Top class. Laura, you look fantastic.
Thank you. Thank you. Felt amazing. Best I've ever felt.
Is this your first show?
It's not. I've been competing for 5 years and I've had a couple setbacks, and it's kind of been a road, but this is the best I've felt and the best I've looked.
So tell us what it was that you focused on tonight, because I will say your glutes looked amazing on stage.
Thank you. Actually, it's been like an overall physique, just really focusing on every aspect of it, hitting everything hard, really flexing hard, keeping everything tight, knowing that my weak point has always been my glutes and my back end, really focusing on that over the last year and making sure that that was rounded and tight as could be. So.
Well, you looked fantastic. You were fun to watch. We'll be excited to see how it goes tonight. Future plans after this show?
Absolutely. I always say that I'm going to never compete again after I'm done with the show, and I'm to the point where I never say never. So.
Well, I would be very surprised if we did not see Laura in the open overall tonight fighting for that pro card. So good luck tonight. Liz Kampschutter, Inside Natural Bodybuilding Radio. Oh, we want we want to see the package. We won't make her show the glutes, but she did bring an amazing look. A lot of hard work went into her look. She looks fantastic. Thanks a lot. Oh, you're very welcome. Good luck tonight.
Thanks.